Yeah, now destination is here. As we started one by one, now destination is here. I'm about to go down. Yeah, it is about to go down. Nataka sasa kungurumisha mziko. Hapo inatuambia iko na stima ya 210. Hii site inaniambia iko na 209. So, temperature it's telling me 24 room temperature right now. And on the machine, read it. Still inaniambia in the room temperature is 24.5. Meaning which is correct. There is nothing we have messed up. There is nothing we have done or whatever and etc. So saizi ni kuingurumisha in the moment. Give me like 10 minutes. I will be showing you the results, how the house is operating and whatever is going on. Yeah, this is my work now. I have done it. It has remained small things to deal with, but just 4 minutes will be doing it. Listen, check an engineer. Ile ni kazi yangu, najivunia kwa kazi yangu my friend. Usisema ati meter ilikuwa off. Oh, ulikuwa na connect meter ikiwa off, ilikuwa off wapi?